And I'm uncovering frightening stories about these sharks right across the cold waters of the North Atlantic.
Sa kang halang ani.
Dili ni halang mo ha.
There's a
Kana bro halang.
killer lurking in my backyard. I need to know. According to my research, the best place to begin my
Ang
investigation
halang ba?
is here. The country
Kuya ganito ano nagsugod siya pamingwit. Bata pa siya.
Eh.
Antad nga nakatrabaho siya ano yung nani ba? Bro BBC Earth.
to Greenland.
So tigwang na siya. Ano?
Is covered in solid ice.
Ang pagmamakabata na hamon.
6,000 inhabitants. Greenland has the lowest.
Kita ko niya ano tanong ganina nga kung bata pa siya ba. So nato siya India sa una 1982 para kakuha siya isda kung dako kayo. Kaya nakabalik siya karong bago lang. Dugay na daw kayo 1982 pa.
Bata pa siya.
And this being a field, the water underneath the ice is phenomenally deep. And the creature I'm after lives way down below the ice.
Nato nagkundon daw ano.
Dako na ka.
Sightings of
Dagan ang
Greenland
view.
sharks are rare. But one group of people do encounter these
Ano bang ganyan?
elusive beasts.
Mamilihan naman ba?
Ice fishing.
Nindot siya ka na-explore niya ang kalibutan.
So I'm heading to the fishing
Hindi ko
port
yan
of
patukan.
Nalang, 400 miles north of the Arctic Circle.
Hindi na ba siya basta-basta?
It's 5 degrees below freezing. With a population of around 1,300, Umanak is one of the biggest towns in Greenland.
Greenland din yun.
There are no roads in or out.
Sa Greenland, puros ice.
4 months of the year, the sea is solid ice, so the fishing fleet goes nowhere. I really feel like I've come to the end of the world here. It just
Dagan
looks
doon
so
isda do.
different from anything I've experienced before. But it's
Namingwit atong
essentially
Pinoy
the
bitaw diyang
first
ablagar.
thing. It's just so
Gapamingwit sila dag-ulag ko ha.
And it suddenly occurred to me, I'm not on a frozen beach, I'm actually standing in the middle of the harbour. I'm on sea
Sulbad lang
ice. It's the
suldaan.
first time in my life I've actually walked on the sea. The harbour feels deserted. But eventually I'm directed to a few fishermen out on the ice.
Alam din mo, alam.
Gamay lagi lang siya no.
Mahal ko na.
What name are these fish?
Lamig yun.
Source. My mastery of Greenlandic non-existent at the moment, but they look like cod to me. Nice sized cod. The locals here are mainly the indigenous people of Arctic Greenland, Canada and Alaska. And they fish these waters for
Ay, nako.
5,000 years. You have one? You have one on? Yeah, it's a long way to bring the line in.
Ano, pisig.
Good size? He's not the big one. The big one? Oh, can see, can see, can see. There it is. Thanks to antifreeze proteins in their blood, cod thrive in cold Arctic
Almond.
waters and are clearly abundant here. Do you let the bait go down to the bottom? Slowly getting some life back to my right hand. Ah, we're here. So we're on the bottom.
Dako biya pwede man di sa Greenland. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Kung makatrabaho pag ika dito ka pwede na mo kuha ni mong pamilya. Dili ka iskip ko.
It's a fish off. My first, I was going to say ice caught fish. I haven't caught it yet. Not another kick.
Naman itong natanaw sa katong kuan.
I can see some